We've reported on the supply shortage of guns and ammunition and how it could impact this year's hunting season.
And if you are in the market for a gun or ammo, there's a pretty good chance that you might find what you're looking for at this weekend's James O. Aplan Gun Show.
We have a 9mm over and under.
Peg Aplan is one of 373 gun collectors who will be here selling this weekend. The James O. Aplan Gun Show is named after her late husband, who helped start the Dakota Territory Gun Collectors Association.
He loved the history of them, and he loved just history.
Aplan has about 50 of her husband's guns here up for sale, along with about a ton of ammo. Some of it is so old it's considered obsolete.
The industry, I will say, is in a state of flux.
Steve Livermore of Fort Pierre is another collector who will be selling here. He says guns and ammo right now are highly sought after, partly due to the pandemic.
For a modern dealer, he's got a very limited supply.
Gun and ammo suppliers ran into shortages and are now trying to catch up.
The stores, the warehouses, the trucks, everything in inventory and companies, well, Federal's still running 24 hours a day producing ammo.
Out here at the gun show, you're going to find all kinds of guns, from some modern-day weapons to some antique ones like this one, a .44 caliber revolver rifle.
It was used in the Civil War. Asking price, about $6,000. But they're not just here to sell. The Dakota Territory Gun Collectors Association is also here to educate.
If you've got Grandpa's gun, bring it in and let us get it figured out and get some ammo so you can shoot it at least once or put a box or bullet up on the shelf with it.
So if you're looking for guns or ammo,
they might find it here.
This gun show might be one way of getting more bang for your buck.
And the gun show is at the Ramkota Exhibit Hall. It runs from 9 to 5 both Saturday and Sunday.